Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We're in Lone Oak, Texas, where we are about to start our third bunker. The house is nearly completed and we are ready to start our bunker here. You can see how deep these walls are. These walls are going to be 14 feet tall, and we're going to bury this basement about uh, a little over 4 inches in grade. So what you're seeing is going to be buried much deeper than the previous three. Let's walk down the ramp and take a look and see how tall it is. We like having the excess dirt close on site. This subdivision is going to be primarily bunkers. New concept by the Basement Kings. And this is our third basement here. A slight modification from the first two, but the formula is just the same, except these are going to be taller walls. So it'll be a little bit easier for us to excavate and close in. But the disadvantage is if the rains come, then what we'll do is we'll find a situation to where it's harder to get the water out. But that's why we waited now until the end of May to start this job, is because right now we are expecting very few rains. So a basement about this size, a little over 1,000 square foot, is going to take average 9 or 10 weeks. At the pace that we move, it should take us 6.5 weeks, and we should be finished with it. So let's find out. Let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, follow, like, or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.